Hi everyone, it's Gina K from Gina K Designs, and I'd like to welcome you to the third video in my Quick and Easy Holiday series. Today's card is really quick and easy, and it only takes a few minutes to create a design that looks quite beautiful. There are a couple of quick tips throughout the video, so I hope you'll give them a try. The tools that I'm going to use for this technique are these two stencils. This is the Snowflake Mandala Stencil and the Stellar Snowflake Stencil. I'm also going to use some of the life-changing brushes by Picket Fence Studios. To begin, I'm going to take my piece of cardstock and I'm going to line it up against the edge of the Snowflake Mandala Stencil. And you can see it's all lined up on both sides as well. Then I'm going to take some purple tape and I'm going to tape this piece of cardstock to the back of the stencil. Now if you're using a texture paste or a glitter gel, you may want to use the Pixie spray to hold that stencil down. But if you're doing ink blending, sometimes the purple tape is all you need. I'm going to begin with the Ocean Mist ink, and I'm going to use the larger of the two brushes, and I'm going to start by working my way from the center of this snowflake out in a circular motion. I want the darkest part of that Ocean Mist ink to be right in the center, and you can see I'm working out in a circular motion, but I'm not going all the way up the stencil. This is what I love about these small blending brushes. Next, I'm using some apple mint ink and a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to continue on with the blending, but I'm just going to do a small portion going all the way around in a semicircle around that snowflake. And you can see I'm working my way around, and then I'm working my way back into that Ocean Mist ink. So I'm starting with just the apple mint, then I'm blending it with Ocean Mist, and now I'm going to blend some Ocean Mist right over that apple mint to kind of create a seamless fade between those two colors. Now I'm adding a little bit of Ocean Mist right along the edges of this snowflake, and I'm letting it go very light toward the very edge. And you can reload your brush as much as you need, especially with these lighter colors. And you can see I'm working in a circular motion and then working that color down just a little bit into the apple mint, so again I can get a seamless fade. Now I'm going to pull that piece of cardstock off of the stencil, and you can see how beautiful that pattern looks. Now I'm going to add my greeting, and this greeting is from the Christmas Silhouette stamp set. I'm going to use some black onyx ink, and I'm going to stamp the word Christmas right across the bottom. Now the Christmas Silhouettes stamp set has lots of little words that you can put with Christmas, but I want to say Christmas wishes, so I'm using one of the stamps from the Winter Hugs set that says wishes. And these two stamp sets, Christmas Silhouettes and Winter Hugs, work beautifully together to create even more word combinations. So I'm stamping the word wishes down at the bottom a little bit to the right, and my greeting is done. Now I've layered this onto a piece of black onyx cardstock and then onto a white note card. And now I'm using some Connect glue along with some sequins, and I'm picking them up with the Marvy Jewel Picker. What's really nice about this stencil is there are dots throughout the stencil, and you can use those dots as a template for where you want to place your sequins. This kind of takes the guesswork out of where to place them. You can place them just on those dots, or you can embellish other points of the snowflake as well. But the fact that each one of those little offshoots of the snowflake is the same, you can evenly place your sequins. And I'm going to place my last one right here in the middle of the snowflake. And you can see when I turn this card all of the sparkle and shine that those iridescent snowflakes create. So that's certainly a quick and easy card. I made another card here using sea glass, lovely lavender, and bubble gum, and I used winter holiday wishes for that greeting, and then Merry Christmas using a little bit of moonlit fog and jelly bean green. So those are my finished card projects, quick and easy and so fun to mass produce. Here are a couple other videos I think you might enjoy, and I hope you'll hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.